Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center and we have started a new series for the Windows Server administration. And you know guys about my channel that I always create the videos onto the hot topics, and many of you are watching me continuously, and I would like to thanks from depth of my heart. And so I decided that I have to create a new series, and obviously I have been working in the IT field since more than 15 years, so I have a lot of experience apart from the Windows, over the Linux, over the Windows administration, server side, networking side. I am also a cybersecurity consultant, so I decided that one by one we will create a series as well in parallel with the hot topics. We will keep creating the hot topics for you guys. Obviously you can avail a lot of benefits from my videos, and so from this video we are going to start a series of Windows Server 2025 administration, and you will see that. And after completing this course you will become expert of Windows administration. And obviously if you are a student, or if you are a professional, or if you are a very senior who is working into the IT company, or if you have your own IT company, so definitely this video tutorial, this course is for you. So let's start. So first of all, in order to download the Windows Server 2025, you have to go onto the Mozilla browser or Chrome browser, whatever you want, and then you have to type Windows Server Data Center 2025 ISO. Once you click on it, then you have to scroll down it and download the ISO. So once you click onto the download ISO, then you will have a page in which you have to put some information in order to download it. So let's open the page. Give me a second, let me check my internet connection. I get back to you shortly. So once you have this page, then obviously you have to click onto the download ISO. For time being, this page is not opening on my computer. I don't know why, but obviously once you click onto the download ISO, you will have a form, and then you have to put some information like name, email address, and your company detail, like how many employees you have. Then you have to put this. Then after that, then once you click download now, then you will have this page. So I will share the link of this page directly into my video description, so you can directly download the ISO from this page. So once you have this page, then you have to click onto the English United States 64-bit edition, and downloading will be started quickly. I have already downloaded the ISO. In order to save the time, let me show you. So you can see that ISO is here. So we have already downloaded the ISO, and now we have to create a virtual machine. And you can create a virtual machine over the over the virtual box. You can create a virtual machine over the VMware workstation. You can create a machine over the VMware EXSI. I have VMware EXSI, so I am creating the virtual machine over that. So in your case, maybe if you will have a physical server, let's say if you have a physical server, obviously you can create a bootable USB through the Rufus. I have created a lot of videos on that, and in this video I will share the link of the description, that video as well. So if you want to create onto the physical system, then you can also do that through the Rufus. So I'm going to install it onto the physical machine. So let me log in. I'm going to install on my virtual machine. Let me log in it. So it will be logged within 2 to 3 seconds, and now it is loaded. So once we here, then we have to click onto the virtual machine, and then we have to create a new machine. Next, Windows Server 2025, and we have to select a family. Then this version is 6.5, so Windows 2025 is not available, but we will select Windows family, so it's not a big deal. Let's say we can select Windows 10, but it is a Windows, just we have to select our same family. Next, then we have to select our storage. Next, then we have to give 8 core processor, 8 GB RAM, wait a minute, I have to repeat this process. Let me refresh it because hard drive option is not showing, so I think it is not loaded properly. So I'm not cutting this video, obviously you are watching end-to-end process, so video maybe little longer, but you will get complete knowledge. So watch this video completely, and obviously once you check each and everything and watch completely, you will become expert. So we will create several videos on that on daily basis. 64-bit. Next, then we have to select the processor. Now the hard drive option is showing, 8 core, 8 GB, and 70 GB. Then we have to select our network adapter, and then we have to select our ISO. So ISO is not here obviously, so we have to upload the ISO. So once we click onto the upload, then we have to go on to the downloads, and then we have to AMD. So we have to upload our ISO, and ISO is being loaded in front of you, so it will take around 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, and once uploaded, then I will resume this video from here. So ISO has been uploaded, and just I select that ISO and click OK. So now we have this machine, so let's power on it. Once you power on it, you will see that installation has been started. So latest Windows Server 2025, we are going to install it in front of you. So English United States, hit next. Install Windows Server, yes, I agree. Next. So we have to select standard evolution, or you can also select data. Let's select data center, because in data center we have more leverage in terms of the virtualization as compared to the standard. So let's install standard with desktop experience. So otherwise you will get command line Windows Server, and obviously it will be difficult for us to handle it. So desktop experience is best, and it is being used globally. Hit next. Once you hit next, then it's giving the license agreement. Let's accept it. and wait, searching for the disk space. So we have 70 GB unallocated space which we have assigned in front of you. So let's create the partition. Wait for a second. So it is giving us an option of 7168. Hit apply. Once you apply, the partition will be created in front of you. Wait for a second. So partition has been created. We will select a massive size partition and then next. So you can see that everything is ready, and keep nothing means we are not upgrading Windows 22 to Windows 2025. We are directly installing the 2025 server. So that is why it is saying keep nothing, and we are installing the data evolution desktop experience. So click onto the install. So installation is being performed in front of you. So it would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. I'm going to stop this video. Once done, I will be back. So Windows Server has been installed successfully. Now we have to set the complex password. Username is administrator. Now finish, and you can see that it has been installed. So let me initially set up it in front of you. Accept, and now you can see that it has been opened. So before starting the usage of Windows Server, we need to do some settings like advanced settings, and we have to remote desktop setting so that we can RDP. Yes, confirm. Now it is opened. So, and now we have to set the IP address. So let me check out on my system, which IP address is free. Maybe in your case you will have a DHCP server, means you are getting the IP from your router, so you will get automatically updated, means IP will be assigned automatically, because I don't have the DHCP server in my network, so that is the reason I have to assign it manually. So 63 IP is empty, so we can assign 63 IP. And cpa.cpl. So whenever you are doing the Windows server, keep remember you have to uncheck this Windows GCP IPv6, because at the time of the joining domain you may face problem. So if everything is good and still your client is unable to join the domain, then onto the server side you have to uncheck this. So keep remember, this is very important. Now we have to 192.168.10.63 192.168.10.1, and then we have to give initially I am giving the 8.8, but later on I will explain you that we have to give the same IP address as our DNS, because it is itself a DNS server, domain name system or domain name service. So for time being I'm just giving this IP so that we can access the internet. Okay, now everything is good. So now we can access the gateway. So I have to allow the internet from the firewall, and that is a separate part. Obviously we are doing the system administration, so in your case you will not have a firewall. I am currently working in a big network infrastructure, so I have a firewall, so I have to allow the internet onto this server. So but in your case the internet will be operational once you done the setting. So everything is good for now, and from the next video we will install the domain, Active Directory domain, and we will create a domain, we will join a client PC, and we will apply the group policies, and we will try to finish out this course as soon as possible. And so thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. In case of any question you can leave the comment. I will give the reply as soon as possible, and see you in the next video. Most probably I will upload next video onto the very next day, so no need to worry about this. So our consistency will be maintained. So kindly forward to your family and friends, so that all can avail the benefit. Thank you so much. Bye bye.